Grebank review, legit 1% day ROI Biz or large scam? Welcome to my Grebank review. Hello, my name is Scott and I am a professional accountant for over 32 years. I have investigated and reviewed hundreds of companies. The internet is full of opportunity, but it is also fraught with fraud. How do you know the difference? Please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. There has been some action around this company and I decided to take a more in-depth look. I am guessing someone approached you about the business opportunity and you landed here to make sure it's on the up and up. The good news is I am going to guide you through the company, products and compensation plan so you can make the proper decision. Just pay close attention and read this to the finish line. Grebank review, what is it? Grebank is a company that generates returns by focusing on forex market trading, stock market trading, cryptocurrency exchange and in different types of funds. The About Us section has no information on who runs or owns the company, which is a red flag in my humble opinion. The domain Grebank.com was privately registered on October 9, 2021, making this company very new. Grebank reviews the products. When it comes to retail products or services, there is nothing for sale to actual customers. What you can do is become an affiliate first, and from there you can promote the affiliate membership and invest into the company. You have two plans you can choose from below. Plan 1, invest $10 to $100,000 and receive 1% daily for 100 days, which principal being returned. Plan 2, invest $10 to $100,000 and receive 5% weekly for 365 days with the principal being returned. The affiliate program only pays one tier and pays out 2% commissions on the invested funds by your personally sponsored affiliates. Cost to join Grebank.com review. The cost to joining this company will run you at least $10, but the affiliate membership is free. Unlike all the other Grebank reviews out there, I am going to keep it real in the final verdict. Final verdict. Does the Grebank scam exist? Let's just look at the facts. First, we don't know who runs or owns the company, which is a huge red flag, considering they want you to invest anywhere between $10 to $100,000. Some gullible people might go all in. Second, they claim their external revenue is through forex and other things, but I couldn't find any proof of it. To be honest, all I am seeing is new investments paying off existing members. Because of their weak affiliate program, they can be more aggressive with the returns. If any company could pull in 1% daily legally, they wouldn't need an affiliate program or investment plan starting at $10. Sometimes you have to systematically think of these things. All they would need is a handful of investors and become billionaires in a short few years. As of right now, Grebank.com is paying out, but the question is, for how much longer? Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know, because when companies like this exit scam, they exit scam out of the blue and you feel like the rug has been pulled out underneath you. My number one recommendation. If you landed on this blog, you want to actually know how to build a profitable business online, right? First time ever, we are offering a business course that helps you build any business online, including network marketing. You are going to learn exactly how to drive your ideal customer to your website, collect their emails and convert them to buying customers without ever talking on the phone. Once you learn this skill set and the mindset, the sky's the limit when it comes to building your business. I have personally generated 3 six-figure businesses in different financial niches. Plus, every single person gets a one-on-one advisor to make sure everything is being done properly. I hope you enjoyed my Grebank.com review, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Follow me on social media in the description field below. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. P.S. If you are tired of failing any business, click here and check this out to take your game to the next level.